Okay, we're back on the old used car lot today, and a bunch of people had actually made a pretty good suggestion that we should tidy up this 1959 Dodge Viscount. This is a Canadian only model, a 1 year only model, pretty rare car in pretty poor condition. I got it about 10 years ago. Agent 533 and I picked this up and brought it back here. I've never tried to start it, the engine is stuck, but we had it looking decent for a while. Trouble is, it sits under these trees and it's become quite a mess. So we're going to drag it out of here, tidy it up, and then maybe we'll have a look at what might be involved in trying to get this thing running. Never tried. It's a stick shift V8 car. Pretty cool car. Not very many left, and a Canada only 1 year model called a Dodge Viscount. Basically, it's a Plymouth Fury with a Dodge front clip. You can see from the windshield back, it's a 59 Plymouth Fury. It even has the cool spare tire applique on the trunk lid. I've been using it as a shed, as one does. It's full of mostly 57.8 Plymouth parts. But yeah, just a cool old car, but you can see it's not good for them to let them get too covered in foliage. They start to rot. So I used a couple of pieces for this for the yellow 59 Fury, but mostly it's still there. So anyhow, let's go get the tractor and pull it out of here. There's Izzy. You gonna help today? Yeah, you look like a rock. You might be useful.
Oh yeah.
Before it comes off the rim.
Okay.
Well, that's pretty rough. I think we're gonna need some tires here too. Not saying for sure, but parking pad we made for it is doing okay. Something was living under there, wasn't it, Minnie? That's a pretty dirty car. Alright, punt that log. See if she'll go. Or not. Urgh. Maybe we can get it all the way to the hose, I don't know.
Yeah.
Pushing. Yeah, it's been sitting a while. Okay, we'll get started here. Alright, well, here we go. I guess we should get this onto the lawn so it doesn't... Okay, well, it's already better. Holy, eh? So there's the plant. Not looking very promising. I did try when I first got it. It is seized, so very likely if it's ever going to run, the heads would have to come off. Okay, I guess we can get it wet now.
Where do I pull mine in behind here, or what? What kind?
Yeah, if you want us to wash it with
Oh,
Scotch
oh
Brite.
shit, Gary's next.
Well, that's better than it was.
Yeah.
That thing was so black you could hardly tell.
I thought this one does not run.
This is the one that was sitting by the stairs. Yeah, it doesn't run. Never has. I'd like to get it going. I even have an engine that I could drop in it.
What's wrong with the engine?
It's seized. I mean, it might come loose. I haven't even tried. But
You should get your bikini on and sit on the hood or something.
Who's Scott's? Yeah.
yeah, that's a great idea.
We've got plenty of
Oh, I mean, it definitely is better. Okay, let's put her back.
Good catch.
I was just gonna make you drive over it. I was just like,
You know, it's too bad he didn't have a bucket or something for that tractor too, eh? You know, because it's been pretty useful, you know.
Yeah, he's got the fork though.
Yeah. Yeah, but that thing is clumsy. Like, and then he can't get under the power line, right? With the
Is it that tall?
Hey?
It's that tall?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, he can't get under that at all. I suppose we could have had somebody with a fiberglass stick to hold it up.
Or someone you don't like with a steel stick.
That's right.
you're doing good still.
But it's a slow process. Well, that's good. Let's do this, he's going there.
I think it's okay, but I wanted you to look at it.
Okay, who's steering it then?
That's perfect on that side, eh?
It could be over about half a
4
tire
inches.
more.
That's okay.
It's one soggy car. Windows still work though. It's pretty nice. You can see it's exactly the same as a Plymouth Fury inside. See, I think this would be fun to get it going because this is a stick shift car, eh? Yeah, not very many of these would have been stick
Wow.
shift.
Is that factory stick?
Yeah, top of the line car with stick shift.
Wow.
That's cool.
Yeah. That would be a fun car.
Yeah, so. But there's your basic problem there. It's junk.
Everything that's under here is the problem.
Yeah.
You got another one though. Just
I do have another engine.
zoop.
Oh, this is a grungy sucker too.
Yeah. She's pretty rough, yeah. Are we restoring this car? I don't think so.
But then
Just
it
don't
can
see
be
it.
added into the move around whenever you want to.
That's
Yeah,
right.
that's true,
That
yeah.
way you can move it.
Ashley was saying he wants to reshuffle the whole lot, and I'm like, well, we could.
And just do the musical cars here.
Musical cars
Yeah.
for a whole,
Yeah,
it would
the whole
take
thing.
days to move them all. This would have been a cool car when it was new. It's got a hood light. I didn't know that.
Is that factory or
If it is, it should go on my Fury.
no kidding?
That's a cool option. I wonder if this one has reverse lights. My Fury doesn't even have reverse lights. All right, well, there, you asked for it, we cleaned it up. Dodge Viscount, 1959. A Canadian classic. Okay, which car should we clean up next? Leave us a note. We've certainly got a few. I want to drag the 58 Coupe out one of these days. That'd be a fun one. See everybody on Saturday for more of the... This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.